firefly named Samuel. I think it was. Why are we in the gravity question? Please. I just need a skip button on this. Those messages, yeah, they're cool, but they take forever. Yoink. I said yoink. Found it. I call this a game of hide and seek. This is, oh, find the feathers on the mannequins. Found you. There we go. I know how to play. Can't we just do the old-fashioned method of just pray and see if you can get the rules? I should put that up. Where's the bananas? There's the nanas. Nanas. What on earth is a nana? This ability sucks compared to the firefly ability. Yay, 22. This is gonna take forever. One thing I don't like about this is that it takes so many rounds. Why is the best option always to hit the fruit that's targeted? There we go. Yay, another one. That's a 2-turn kill. Why can I always finish by the second turn? The Rob Bird. Wouldn't that just be Robert? Yeah, it would be. See, Robert. That's Robert. No. Well. Just let me figure it out on my own. I need the peaches. That would go there. What's these special fruits? Oh, they're bombs. I like this one. This one's I get to use the mechanic. No one turn kill? Nope. What is this, the raw burb? I don't know. What on earth is this stage? This one sucks. Oh, so the music fruit gives me extra moves, right? Yeah. Wow, that's twice that's happened. Really game. There's no more music fruit. Wait, if I move that one there. I wish it exploded at the end of the round. Yay, 100. I think that was a bit overkill. Yay. Where are we going now? Why do I have to talk to... Always the best option is just walking as far... Wait, there's actually a limit to how far I can walk? Hold it, we gotta mess with this. Wait, how far... How... Oh wait, I can do it. We're gonna do it. Okay. Hey. Up, well. We're gonna walk now. Okay. A little farther. I'm on. A little farther. Okay. I think I found out. So it's here. Why are you being picky? Fine. Fine, I'll do what you want. Wait, did I finish your bird clash? Wait, is this done? Nope. No, it's not. Was that just the trial version? I thought my torment was over. Why is there 5 more levels? Where's the overpowered one? Oh. Can become... You know, a PvP one for the next event, that would have been cool. No. We got Candy Crush. I don't think that did anything. This one's not fun. I don't like this ability. Are these like forced abilities or can I change them? I don't know. So all abilities are not built the same. Got it. How am I losing? Bro, why can't I just have one more move? Okay, all abilities are definitely not built the same. Okay, Okay, this is easy. This. I don't want this pink stuff. I want a kiwi. You see, I want to move this fruit down, but I can't. Fine, we'll do the strawberries. Oh, so this one has the dancing fruit. No, it has the music fruit. That one. Can we get like any of these chests? I have 9 moves. This one's definitely fair. There we go, we got a much better board. I hope. Wow, these things take 4 hits to open. No, I think it's like 5. Oh, that chest opened. Got my kiwis. There we go. Where'd I go? Bro, that would have been a 1-turn kill. Okay, I figured out the kiwi power sucks. Wait, it's forcing me to do the bird? Okay, this one sucks. I think it's this one. The March. I think the March bird is good. Yeah. Firefly that name, Samuel. I want to make that with the strawberries, but oh, I remember the strawberry one's the overpowered one. Yeah, this fruit's definitely the most strongest one. I don't know what makes me think that. I don't know what gives me that impression that this is the most strongest one. I didn't clean the board as much. I think I'm gonna lose this one. Wow, I barely won that. Why did I barely win that? I'm using literally the strongest bird. In my opinion, at least, because he's spawning abilities. What am I supposed to do? Why would... Why were you... Why? Literally had to waste a move. I should put to the left. Come on, give me the strawberries. I don't like how that... Explain to me how this one's overpowered. This is definitely one of the harder ones. You know, for using one of the strongest birds, this is really hard. Oh, again, wasting a move. Yeah, overpowered. Yeah, I need proof to why this fruit isn't crazy overpowered. I think the only way they balance the stage is if you're not is if the enemy is using the fruit too, because otherwise it's not fair. Yay, another victory. By the way, I don't know what's the reward for this. Ugh, I love when they waste my own. I'm just gonna clean the entire map. I shouldn't have done with the blue. I lost that one 100%. Why do you get the increased 10% 10 damage? I'm just wondering. Oh sweet, this is the extra turn one. Why is that the only move I can make? Let's see. We're gonna do this one. Then this. There we go. I don't like this map. I'm really not liking this, truly. I keep on getting atrocious maps. That one's not optimal. Give me all the kiwis. I'm gonna do this. We're gonna do this one. Finally. I'm gonna win this one, finally, goodness. This one. And that one. Finally. Wow, I won that one in one round. Bruh.